All right, guys, we are very excited today because we have a You Make It, We Skate It. Best intro ever. Rick, what do you think is inside of this?
I think it's a skate park.
Well, it's coming from Legoland, California Resort.
No way.
I mean, that's what it says right there. How is this so difficult to open? So, I'm really excited to see what this is because I think... A wild Ebon Turner appears.
Squad. How y'all doing?
Hey, he just rolled.
Boxing.
Sheesh!
About to go hand today, huh?
Legoland, California Resort. Aaron Cairo. We got a letter. We got a letter. This looks so official. Usually they're not this official.
Dang, what the?
Legoland, California Resort. Hi, Aaron. Our Lego Master Builder Model Building Team at Legoland, California Resort custom designed and built this Lego skateboard from more than 2,500 Lego bricks. We can't wait to see it in action on your You Make It, We Skate It series.
No way. They actually got trucks on it.
We recently launched our summer block party, including our headlining Extreme Sports Stunt Show.
Yeah, with the Eli Ream.
Go Extreme, featuring extreme sport athletes like BMX riders, pogo stick athletes, scooter riders, and of course, skateboarders. Please accept this as an invitation to come check it out at Legoland California Resort in Carlsbad this summer. We hope to see you at the resort soon. Have an awesome ride. Thank you, your friends at Legoland California Resort. Gabe Cruz is literally planning his trip as we speak.
2.0, bro.
Legoland.
First victory.
Oh, no way. This is the most legit Lego board we've ever gotten.
Well, this is literally literally built by master builders.
I wonder what their understanding of skating is like if we just pop once it's gonna pull.
Yeah. I'm hoping there's some kind of special glue situation. The thing that worries me most is how light it is.
Thunders.
Oh, legit. Roll Forever Thunder Trucks with the matching Roll Forever Real skateboard wheels.
Dude, they're not playing around.
They're not playing
I know
around.
what they're doing.
It looked like this one has even been ridden. Somebody got a little wheel bite and then they just...
Lego skateboard builders are not posers.
Somebody there skates.
Somebody skates, man. Bro, that's so sick.
So they made the Legos look like wood and then the Legos on top look like grip tape.
Dang, this is really good.
Legoland California Resort. Okay, it has
But like, how many plies?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plies.
You ever tried to skate? Like, are you ever tried to break a Lego? That's hard. That's not breaking.
I think we have to be very, very careful and very smart about what tricks we do.
So first trick is drop in on the vert ramp.
Yeah. I mean, the way that they did this is very, very well built.
I've never seen Lego with the...
There has to be some kind of like video on how they. Wait, okay, we gotta get a thumbnail.
Whoa! That could have shattered everything. We're trying to figure out how strong this is going to be and how gentle we need to be. I think we need to do all the easiest tricks first, like roll on a bank. Uzi, you think it's breaking?
Is this actually from the Lego?
This is literally from Legoland Professional Lego Master Builders.
Master Builders, Uzi.
No,
But
I
this is
think-
Master Builder.
I think it'll last like 5 ollies.
I think a kickflip might go down.
The real thing is if we can kickflip this.
Maybe it is glue.
Oh, it's straight glued, 100%. Okay, that's good. All right, it's definitely glued.
Proving our point.
Woo!
It's going down. That
Bro.
one is strong.
I'm very carefully only standing on the trucks for a reason. Oh, boy!
This is the best Lego skateboard in the world.
100%.
Okay, wait for it.
I'm having a lot of flashbacks, Gabe. Somebody, I think the first trick is this, and I think Uzi got it.
Can I roll on flat first?
I love the thought that went in. He's like, can I roll on flat? Ooh. No, it's rock solid, baby.
We good, man.
Oh yeah, guys could drop in.
You're good.
Let's run it.
Yeah.
We got it.
100%.
Look at the cross building.
That's what
These
I
are
believe
master
in that.
builders, dude. They
Can
know
you
what
film
they're
this for me,
doing.
Rick?
Light on your feet, you got it. You're making history, Dan.
Oh yeah, we kind of.
World's first ever.
All right, ready?
Yep.
My other favorite thing is when we're being like extra gentle and the thing's just rock solid.
Unbelievable. Whoa, you're getting, okay, so you're in the brave stage now. You're getting in the cocky stage now.
No,
All right, well, now that you know it's safe, Aaron, you gonna do it?
no. I know.
You're going off the curb?
No, pressure here. Single pressure flip or variable?
All right. This is, you're breaking it. It's, that was good test.
That was unauthorized. It's not spinning for me though. Spin to win, baby. There we go.
Freaking me out.
Kickflip right away.
You're freaking me out.
Kickflip right away. I think we got this.
Caveman back lip.
If it makes the kickflip, we'll
Board
be
slide.
good.
Okay, you ready?
All right, you have done thousands of kickflips. Do your SMS, warm up, feel the flick.
No, it's got nice grip. That Lego grip, it hitting different. We're sure, straight to the kickflip.
All right, are you sure? How are you feeling? Are you confident?
Should I do one bailout?
Dude, you cannot bail. You gotta land.
Straight to
You
it?
might have one chance. This could be history, bro.
I gotta land straight bolts. You ready?
Are you?
No, are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm nervous, bro. I'm sweating. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
No! It didn't break.
That was insane.
All right, how are you feeling about try two?
I got it. Right here, 100%.
All right, here we go. Uzi, you ready? Oh my gosh! Dude, these master builders are no joke.
It is rock solid. Damage report, nothing.
Hey, you were 100% right though. They did cross build it.
Now we can do anything.
Roll off a curb?
I mean, I think that's easy money at this point.
Dude, you freaking kickflipped a Lego board. Do you realize that?
I'm gonna go down in history.
Like, we've done so much in the however many years that this channel has been going.
But
and
we've
you've
never done that.
Now
Now that I know that master Lego builders are so good, man, we're gonna be calling you. We need a Lego vert ramp. this is easy money.
are you as shocked as I am?
It does seem strong.
Leave it in the comments below if you've ever stepped on a Lego with bare feet. There you go.
Rock fakie?
Does it hurt?
No, it feels like, you know what I'm saying? Little bubbles on your legs. I gotta get that back tail. That's hard.
I think this can go down the 5-step.
All right, well, let's do the first real test. Come on, bro.
I just realized Ricky breaks everything.
Yeah, I know.
Did we take it away from
It's
him?
almost worse than me skating it. Yes.
No wax on the floor, too. It just slides that good.
Shout out Master Lego Builder.
Oh, wow.
That was sick.
Unbelievable. Manual's a lot of pressure in one spot.
Is it?
It's a lot of pressure in one spot.
Yeah, you think manual's too much?
I don't know. Oh! No way!
That was insane, bro.
Actual first time?
Uzi, You got to tray flip it.
Should I do it on wood or concrete?
I feel on wood, for sure on wood.
On the 5-stair. First try, bro.
If Uzi tray flips, then I'm burial flipping it.
All right, it is pretty strong. Oh! Yeah, it's actually strong.
Wow. It was ugly. We made it.
Redo. First tray flip on a Lego skateboard.
I mean, technically second, but
Well, I mean, yeah. First.
that was a clean
perfect one.
That was good. Chee!
Can I ollie this 3-stair
Why?
with this real
Barrel?
quick? Hey, this is going, watch. I'm not even nervous. This is not breaking.
Yeah.
Wait, that's kind of crazy because look, it's not glued. I think this is not glued. I don't think it's glued.
Whoa, now, Rick.
It is. Look.
No,
that's
look.
glue, brother.
No.
Look.
Was that the front? Was that the nose you were using?
Look,
I think it's the tail.
Look, easy. Look at
I
the glue in
say
that.
we just get the 5 done with. I say
Look
we
at
do the 5, but not the 3 block.
No glue in there.
Bro, let's just send the 5. Screw it.
Yeah.
I don't think the 3 block though. That's
Yeah,
not.
no.
First try.
Breaking a Lego board is one thing, bare feet on the broken Lego board.
You just have to put the pieces back in there. Oh, I'm landing it right here for the homies. Legoland. Yeah! It doesn't break, it just pops Legos out.
Because every time you just pop it back in place.
All right, what you going
What's it
for,
gonna
Rick?
be? 50 or board size?
50 will be so sick, bro.
I think when you get on the rail, you're good, but the act of getting on the rail is the hard part. No way! Did you just get on a...
All right, I kind of freaked out a bit. That was it.
What is going on?
Yeah, I mean, this is so good. This has got to go on the wall. If this doesn't break, this is a wall 100%. Back to the beginning of the video where we're like, we'll just ride it down a bank and see what happens.
You got my phone?
Yeah,
I'm going up here though.
I know.
Any advice on the pop?
Just treat it like just any other skateboard. It's a little heavier, so you got to give it a little extra wang danga, but you got it.
Is this the nose?
I don't think it really matters. I think it's twin tail. Perfect symmetrical twin tail.
I'm freaking out.
Imagine trying to 50-50 that.
Just like all I can think about in my head is just over and over, just it breaking in various different ways, and I really just have to let go.
And then you fall into shards of Legos.
You see, I didn't think about that. Thanks.
Good,
man.
now that you did.
All right, y'all ready?
Yeah,
I'm rolling.
you got it, bro.
Let's go!
No way, first try.
Yeah!
No way. I was so nervous, I almost didn't film it.
Look at my hand! Oh, got it!
How do you use this phone case?
I'm telling you, those Lego craftsmen, they're engineers. Like they could make a Lego plane and it will fly.
I agree with him. I'm very impressed.
I'm very impressed as well. Blunt fakey it.
Can't even believe it works. Full flick. Oh no! One more. Right here. Why? So
It doesn't hurt your dog.
that is so gnarly, bro.
You almost accidentally stepped on that.
Oh! A few more tries, I'm over it. That's gnarly. What is up with the primo?
Out of all that he didn't land, and then he lands and the pieces fall off.
Dude, that was the scariest thing I've pretty much ever done on a flip trick. What the freak? Right here, blood fakey right here.
Send it.
It's going down.
Skateboard you'll ever ride.
I think maybe it doesn't even break in this vid.
All right. This is the most shocking thing I've ever been involved with.
Yeah.
Probably with any You Make It We Skate It ever.
Just how good it skates.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I want the commenters to let us know. Is this gonna work?
Board slide.
Yeah.
You're good.
All right, ready?
Are you ready?
Shouldn't have jumped off. That was fine.
Yeah.
All right, I think we're good, brother. I think we can do a bunch of
That made the Lego skate in even more.
No way.
I don't get it.
I know. Once again, master builders.
You know how I know Ricky's fully bought in?
Yeah.
He's about to try a crook. I know. You got it, Rick. First tee. Confirmed, Lego Master Builders built a skateboard with a better shape than Rick's. All right, I think the ultimate test is the 3 block. I hate to say it.
Man, if there's only anybody here that had no shoes on.
I'm getting it.
If you want to do this, I say just drop in from the 4 and just go as fast as you can.
Send it.
It's not
I
breaking.
think we can survive that.
How is this thing still put together?
Dude, he lost a leg.
Let's go!
All right, let's end this video before we break it. I don't want to break this thing.
Golden. Let me go grab the Lego.
Nigel! If you trust me, go drop in on the vert ramp.
Me?
Go ahead, drop in on the vert ramp.
It's a Lego skateboard!
Go drop in on the vert ramp.
Say left, fam.
It's not gonna break apart on me, is it?
You're good. You might lose a few pieces on the bottom, but just roll through them.
Whoa, Nigel.
Are you sure?
I think you're good. You think it's possible?
Yes.
Yes. Lego skateboard. Oh my god, this feels so weird. Yo.
This was built by Legoland Master Builders.
No way.
We took it down the 3 block. Like,
That is sturdy.
you just lose a few pieces. on
Oh
the
wait,
bottom.
what? Nigel, what are you doing? That's crazy.
We did it.
All right, that was completely mind-blowingly incredible. I actually literally cannot believe that that occurred. Huge thanks to Legoland California Resort for sending us this board, and we will definitely come and see you guys soon. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.